What's up YouTubers, it's Wayne Prem from Mobile Leather Repairs, and today we're working on a Jaguar, and I think if you look closely you can see it's seen better days. We've got lots of cracks there, and what we've done is we've mashed off all the piping so we don't get any paint on the piping. Very carefully you have to do that. And let's take a look round at the passenger seat as well. So we just go around here, and Prem's already made a start look on the side of the seat. So at the minute he's rubbing a little bit of paint into the cracks, and then what we're going to do is we're going to fill all the cracks until we get a nice smooth finish on there. And what we'll do is then we'll give it a recolour, and there, look, you can see, look, they're looking a lot better already. So we're going to give this a recolour, and then what we're going to do is show you the video afterwards of the amazing results from this leather transformation. So it's Wayne Prem from mobileletherrepairs.co.uk, and we'll see you soon.